Let's bring in meteorologist Brandon Lawson. Brandon, a lot of clouds in the sky, a lot of wet weather coming our way, right?
Yeah, just a lot of clouds. It's kind of a gloomy day. We just never really were able to get rid of the clouds this morning, still lingering into the afternoon. It's because this cold front's really being just kind of a pesky system. It won't really move off to the east, kind of struggling to get out of here. And as it sits over our area and interacts with some of the heating of the day and some of the humidity, that's going to allow for some scattered showers and thunderstorms to develop this afternoon. Now, we're dry for right now. I actually don't think storms are going to kick off now until maybe 3 or 4 o'clock today. Might see them start up towards the mountains and foothills and advance towards Charlotte around 3, 4, or 5 o'clock this evening. And you can see the storms just developing, very hit or miss. So not everybody's going to see thunderstorms today. Might not even see rain today. But some of those storms could be on the stronger side. Gusty winds really being the main concern. Maybe some small hail out of some of those storms. And then as we go into tomorrow morning, we dry things out, upper 60s, low 70s, likely still dealing with a few clouds out there. And then by the afternoon, it's just a mixture of sun and clouds with only spotty shower chances south and east of I-85 as we go into the day tomorrow. So looking at that severe weather outlook, you're looking at Tuesday's outlook here. We're looking at an isolated threat for the gusty winds within some of those stronger storms that we'll be seeing later today. But tomorrow, we finally have no severe weather threat at all. We're honestly barely going to see a storm, maybe a spotty shower south and east of Charlotte tomorrow, but overall, it'll be mainly dry. Starting to see a little bit of beautiful clear skies from Boone down. Got a little bit of sun popping up there. Finally, it's about time. It took forever for those clouds to get out of here. 74 right now in Boone. Charlotte right now, you've got a little bit of cloud cover still lingering overhead. It's 79 degrees right now in Charlotte. Those clouds, man, just going to struggle to break as we go through the day today. And again, because of those clouds, we are about 4 to 5 degrees cooler compared to what we were at this time yesterday, which means temperatures are only going to likely get into the mid 80s today versus those upper 80s and low 90s that we saw yesterday. Mid 70s for the mountains later this afternoon, but I would be shocked if they get a little bit warmer because they're seeing a little bit more sunshine now. Lows tonight going to drop into the 60s. We'll call it mid 50s for our mountain friends as we go into tonight. Highs tomorrow going to be warmer. We'll start with a little bit more sunshine tomorrow. Upper 80s tomorrow, upper 70s for the mountains. Now as we zoom this out, we've got high pressure mainly controlled tomorrow, and then Thursday it kind of gives way to a few spotty showers south of I-85 as we go through the day on Thursday. And then Friday, scattered showers and thunderstorms take back over again. More hit or miss showers and storms back in the forecast. And for Father's Day weekend, we're trending more hot and we're trending more muggy. So more mugginess going to be in the forecast for Father's Day. It will be unsettled at times. We're going to have scattered showers and storms both Saturday and for Father's Day itself on Sunday, but there's still going to be plenty of dry time too. Just know that there's still going to be time to get some of those outdoor plans in if you have them. So don't cancel your plans for Dad Outdoors. Just download the Pinpoint Weather app. The interactive radar tool in there will certainly help you out. So we got scattered showers today we're dealing with later this evening and even to the overnight we should dry out. Spotty showers east tomorrow, spotty for Thursday too, and then more scattered showers and storms heading into Father's Day weekend with upper 80s and low 90s.
Queen City News Plus. Just search Queen City News on your smart TV's app store.